cala cuando canta yo. Me transformo en el color del misterio.
I stand here today as an advocate for women and nature. My journey has been difficult and arduous. I was born and raised in the mountains of Colombia, in a small village called Cajibillo in Cauca. For many years, I didn't find a place or a sense where I belong or fit, despite of being surrounded by the most beautiful paradise and a biodiverse place. For 10 years, I suffered sexual abuse of my own father. This traumatic experience robbed me of my innocence, my self-esteem, and the ability to connect with others. I even suffered abortions that destroyed me completely, and also I witnessed the destruction of my entire family. In the midst of this suffering, my mother became a beacon of hope. She did her best to help me and my siblings. And she even tried to help other women who suffered of similar situations. I treasure every single moment when she took us to visit these women in rural areas of Colombia. She taught us the love and compassion for other women who live similar situations. She planted that seed in my heart. Unfortunately, she died at a very young age, just 42 years old. It wasn't until I intentionally started to spend time in nature that my inner healing began. Spending time with birds, the forest, the river, and the mountains of my home country, when my path to healing began. When I was spending time in nature, I also noticed that nature was facing similar situations, destruction and abuse. As I healed, I found a wellspring of resilience within me, but I also realized that in order to help others, I needed to help myself first. During this journey, I also discovered my love and passion to help others, and it became my mission. Throughout my work, I met many women around the world who face countless situations. Their resilience and their courage inspire me to share their stories and also advocate for women's rights and nature's rights.
Conservation and saving species on the brink of extinction became my priority. One of the species I focus my efforts on saving is the yellow-eared parrot, endemic to Colombia. In collaboration with communities and stakeholders, we help recover this majestic bird from disappearing for good. This extraordinary recovery shows us that we can work together to change the course of destruction and restore balance to nature. To date, we have helped establish a network of 27 nature reserves across Colombia, protecting 12% of the world's birds species and providing sanctuaries for the most threatened and undergoing declarations as regional parks.
Suffering that women face can be prevented by giving access to basic rights, right to education and right to family planning. Just like my mother did, She passed on to me the love and care and compassion for other women. I am passing that love and compassion to my daughter Isabella.
We must act now to protect nature, seek our own healing, and help heal our planet.